Okay, next, ano to? Vlog? House tour? What do you want me to do? Okay, we're in my bed. Dito tayo sa bed kong magulo. Okay? Later, I'll eat adobo na after my live. Wala kayo dyan. Okay, what's happening? Okay. Aloha! Hello! Welcome to my live. So, I have a topic, guys. Sino dito who wants to eat adobo? I'll send adobo for you. Wow! Kailangan may manalo. Who's the winner? Kunyari, press 1, and then yung top 10, I'm gonna send adobo. Next time. Hi, Daniel. Thank you for sending. Thank you. Ano to? Welcome to my vlog? Well, swipe mo yung screen mo pakanan para yung mga nagchat-chat na lang makikita mo. Kaliwa, kanan. Kanan dito. Okay. Medyo ang hirap pa. Mainit. Oh, Rainman, you're Filipino ha? You speak Tagalog ha? I tried it already. Parang, okay, nagets ko na ng very light lang. Nagets ko ng very light. What's your favorite Filipino food? Press 1 daw, guys. Okay, please press 1. And then yung magiging top 10 sa press 1 is I'm gonna send adobo. Syempre, wala magpa-press 1 dito. Maghihintayan kayo dyan. Oh my gosh. Okay, si Claire press 1 na. Press 1, guys. Press 1 who wants adobo. I'm gonna send adobo and then the top 10 who do the press 1 is I'm gonna send adobo for free. Sacha RJ 1. Thank you, Ohio ne. Namae baru desu ka? Choto yomenai na. Oh, katakana yomenai kedo follow ni shimasu yo. Arigato. Adobo tabita kanta. Okay, guys, gusto niyo ako makita maglaba? Oh my gosh. Ne, saki watashi gohan tsukutta da yo. Ima wa ne laundry ni Shoka. Nakakatawa naman. Alam niyo guys, nagluto lang naman ako ng adobo. Sobrang warm welcome. Arigato ne. Arigato gozaimasu. Yorushi ko kore kara. Watashi no namae wa Sakura an desu. Anata no ego no namae wa nan desu ka? Katakana to hiragana yomenai kara minasama. Guys, hindi ko kasi naiintindihan yung character ng katakana and hiragana ng Japanese character. Ang naiintindihan ko lang is hiragana, yung basic nila. Alam mo, sa susunod, ang bungad mo sa live cooking. Yes! Tomorrow I'll cook sinigang. You know sinigang? That's a sour soup. It's like a tomato soup, but that's the Filipino food. Adobo is the top 1 Filipino food. The top 2 Filipino food I think, is sinigang. Right? Do you agree, guys? Agree ba yung mga Pilipino dito? Ichibang, no? Philippine yori wa arigato ne. Arigato, arigato. Nanto ka hato. Hato, ayan. Yumenai katakana gomen. Agree, di ba? My top 5 Filipino food. My top 5 is, hi, hello, hi, Pain. No, this is my top 5. Yeah, I can make bulalo. My bulalo is so yummy, guys. Magaling ako magbulalo. Like, binoboiled ko siya like 5 hours. Ganun katindi. At I'm not using pressure cooker. I don't know. I don't like pressure cooker. I want simple na gusto ko yung walang pressure cooker pag magpapalambot ka. You know the pressure cooker, guys? Hi, Aman. Hello, Aman. Welcome to my live. Ang busy ko mag-cook kanina, guys, ha? Hindi ko na alam kung sino mga nandito kanina. Sorry if I didn't shout your name. Masashi! Masashi, ohayo gozaimasu. It's raining in Japan. Arigato. Hi, Tas. Wait lang, I'll put music para cute yung live natin. I'm gonna get my curlash. Do you know the curlash, guys? I'm not putting makeup today because I cook adobo. 私メイクアップに入れてなかったアドボ作ったから、ちょっと忙しかったけど。